Hi, let's have a look at the next set and let's see what's in store. Abu, Kinshuk, Navjot, Pankhuri, Rati, Vikas and Windy are 7 hockey players having surnames Amin, Chopra, Gandhi, Kaur, Singh, Tiwari and Zakaria, not necessarily in the same order. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 individuals that we need to keep in mind. Okay, the 7 players are aged 17, 20, 21. Okay, and weight. So look at the parameters. I have first name, I have surname, I have age, I have weight. Okay, these 7 people belong to cities. Now there are cities. The name, surname, age, weight, city of 7 players were captured before the start, but the information got lost. It's like linear arrangement, right? It's like a matrix. 5 variable unknown, and we need to go ahead and do that. We've done this in class a number of times. We've done it in our async videos as well. More than 3 parameter linear arrangement. How are they solved? So it's going to be something along those lines. I'm sure there is additional data as well. We can see there are 5 and more. There are 9 pieces of additional data. So let's look at it. If Windy is from Kochi, Kinchuk weighs 54, if then condition. If Abu Amin is not from Bangalore, Navjot Kaur is 23, if then again. Person with surname Chopra weighs 75 and he or she is not from Lucknow. So you should start with this statement for sure. Person whose weight is 3 times his or her age has the surname as Tiwari, move to this for sure. Person having age and weight equal to the average age and average weight of all the 7 people in the group is from Kochi. If the initial, again, then you can move from here. 3, 4, 5 is giving categorical information. If from this I am getting to know something about Windy or Abu Amin or Kinchuk or Navjot, I can come back to 1 or 2. And then what are the other pieces of info? The weight of the person from Patna is arithmetic mean of the weights. Okay. If Pankhuri is again another if then again if then. So 7, 8 we might want to look at later, and then the sum of the ages and weights of exactly 2. So basically I know where to start. Statements 3, 4 and 5 is surely something I'm going to start with. It's giving me categorical information. After that I'll move to the if then statements and 6, 7 and 9 as and when they come up. So that's the funda. Let's look at the questions first to know where we stand. What is the weight of Pankhuri? So direct question, but there is a none of these. Which city is Kinchuk from out of the following? So direct. Who among the following is from Lucknow? There is a cannot be determined. So it's possible the entire table cannot be created. Sum of the age and weight of Navjot, it's theta. That means I'll get categorical answer. Next question, again we should get categorical answer for how many people can age and weight be determined. What is the value obtained by adding the difference of ages and the difference of weights of the 2 person having surname Singh and Gandhi? Again categorical. Other than one which was CBD, rest seems categorical answer. That means table at least almost completely or to a very large extent I should be able to create. So let's have a look at it. But such a set with so many parameters and so many, so many statements given additional data is not something I would look at solving as priority 1. It might be something I come back to slightly later. Okay, let's have a look at the statements. So these are the names, surnames, the ages, the weights and the cities. Okay, now statement 3, I told you I'll start with that. Person with surname Chopra weighs 75, he or she is not from Lucknow. So surname Chopra, weight 75, not Lucknow. So I'll put this in. Next is person whose weight is 3 times his or her age has the surname Tiwari. So look at weights which are multiples of 3. 54, 57, 60, 75. These are the ones I need to check. So 1/3 should be the age. That means 18, 19, 20 and 25. Of these 18, 19, 20 and 25, only 20 is there. So 60 and 20 is the combo that we are looking at. 60, 20 and the surname here will be Tiwari. So I will carry forward this part of the table to the next statements. I'll go to statement 5, and if it's giving me enough information I might want to go back to statement 1 and 2 after that. Let's quickly move this part of the table. This is exactly what we created behind. I've just carried this forward. Okay, let's look at statement 5. What does it state? The person having age and weight equal to the average age and average weight respectively of all 7 people in the group is from Kochi. Okay, let's look at the total age. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 130, 137, 138, 141, 145, 152, 161. 161 by 7 is 23. So average age is 23. Then weights 50, 100, 160, 220, 280, 350, 427, 432, 439, 444, 448, 455. 455 by 6. That's 455 by 7, sorry. That's 65. So average age 23, weight 65, with these two pieces of information, I know this person is from Kochi. Okay. If the initial letter of the name and surname of all 7 players are arranged according to the English alphabetical order, then the initial letter of the name as well as surname of this person will be positioned at the last place. So your alphabetical order, the first letter will be at the last place. So A, K, N, P, R, V, W. If I put this in alphabetical order, W will be at the last place. A, C, G, K, S, T, Z. Again, Z will be at the last place. So this person is Windy Zakaria. Windy Zakaria. Windy Zakaria. Now, if you remember, there was an if-then statement related to Windy. Let's go to that. If Windy is from Kochi, Kinshuk weighs 54. Yes, Windy is from Kochi. We just got that. That means Kinshuk weighs 54. So we are done till here. Okay. Now this part of the table, once again I will carry forward this table. Okay. And we'll look at the remaining statements. 2, 8 and 6 is what we look at. 9, because it was sum and differences, that we'll look at right towards the end. 2, 8 and 6 we can look at now. Okay. So this is where we are. Next statement, if Abu Amin is not from Bangalore, then Navjot Kaur is 23 years old. Now while this is not telling me anything categorically, it's telling me one thing. One person's first name and last name is Abu and Amin. Another person's first name and last name is Navjot and Kaur. Let's put that in. Abu, Amin, Navjot, Kaur. This is what this statement gives us. It gives me categorical information regarding that. I am happy. Next, if Pankhuri does not belong to Patna, Abu does not belong to Bangalore. However, there is one thing from the previous statement to keep in mind. I just realized that if you see 23 years old, I already have Windy Zakaria as 23. The second statement was if Abu is not from Bangalore, then Navjot is 23. I know Navjot is not 23. If Navjot is not 23, Abu has to be from Bangalore. Because if Abu was not from Bangalore, Navjot would be 23, but I know Windy is 23. Hence, because Navjot is not 23, Abu has to be from Bangalore. So I can put Bangalore here. This part is also done. Next is, if Pankhuri does not belong to Patna, then Abu does not belong to Bangalore. But I know Abu belongs to Bangalore. That means Pankhuri belongs to Patna. So this is another that I know. Now the problem is I don't know who's Pankhuri. It could be Pankhuri Tiwari, Pankhuri Chopra, or the last cell which is blank, that could be Pankhuri. So what I'll do is I will write it. Pankhuri is Patna. I'll get back to where in the table this will come. Okay. Next statement. The weight of the person from Patna is the arithmetic mean of the weights of the persons from Chandigarh and Bangalore, and the person with the surname Gandhi is from Surat. With the surname Gandhi is from Surat. The person with the surname Gandhi is from Surat. Surname Gandhi is from Surat. Okay. This is fine. Perfect. Now the thing to look at is, there are two things to look at. First and foremost, if I am looking at the surname Gandhi, either it is Kinshuk Gandhi or the last person is going to be Gandhi. Okay. Either it is Kinshuk Gandhi who is 54 or the last person is going to be Gandhi. Now this is where we need to think a little. Is it going to be Kinshuk Gandhi or is it going to be somebody else who's going to be Gandhi? Where can it be? Kinshuk Gandhi, then it would mean Kinshuk Gandhi is 54. It would also mean that the surname of the last person is there. Okay, let me come back to that. Let's first do the first part. The weight of the person from Patna is an arithmetic mean of the weights of the person from Chandigarh and Bangalore. Among these, let's see which ones can be an arithmetic mean. When you say arithmetic mean of 3 people, that means basically it should be the average of the other two, or the difference between the weight of the second person from that of the first person is same as the difference of the weight of the third person from that of the second person. So let's look at it. 54, 57, 60 is a possibility. 54, 57, 60 is a possibility. Next, with 54 and 60, next should be 66, which is not there. 54 and 65, next should be 76, which is not there. 54 and 67, next should be 80, which is not there. The remaining not possible. Let's move again. 57, 60, next should be 63, not there. 57, 65, difference is 8, next should be 73, not there. 57, 67, that's difference 10, next should be 77, is there. So 57, 67, 77 is possible. Then 57 and 75 difference is 18, not possible. 60 and 65 difference is 5, next should be 70, not there. 60 and 67 difference is 7, next should be 74, not there. 60 and 75 difference is 15, next should be 90, not there. Don't need to see. 65 and 67 difference is 2, next should be 69, not there. 65 and 75 difference is 10, next should be 85, not there. 67 and 75 difference is 8, next should be 83, not there. 75, 77 difference is 2, next should be 79, nothing's there. So the two possibilities are 54, 57, 60 and 57, 67, 77. Okay, that means Pankhuri's weight is either 57 or 67. Pankhuri's weight is either 57 or 67. Now, if Pankhuri's weight is 57, hypothetically, then what will happen is Kinshuk will end up being from Chandigarh, right? Because Pankhuri, Pankhuri, no, I didn't know about Pankhuri, my bad. This is not Pankhuri, this is Patna. See, I got confused. So 57, 67 is the weight of the person from Patna. Imagine the weight of the person from Patna is 57. If the weight of the person from Patna is 57, then that person is either Navjot Kaur or the last person which I do not know. Then it is either Navjot Kaur or the last person I do not know. Okay? If that weight is 57. That will mean that the other two people are from Bangalore and Chandigarh, which means Kinshuk will have to end up being from Chandigarh and Abu Amin's weight will become 60. That's predominantly what it means. Now the point is, the person whose surname is Gandhi is from Surat. Can I get something from here with respect to this person? The person whose surname is Gandhi is from Surat. Can I get something from here? What do I have? If Pankhuri does not belong to Patna, then Abu Amin does not belong to Bangalore. Oh, now I've gotten it. Now look here. One thing is clear, that Pankhuri is from Patna, right? Pankhuri is from Patna. And Pankhuri's weight is either 57 or 67. We've gotten this. The weight of the person from Patna is either 57 or 67. Pankhuri is from Patna. So Pankhuri's weight is either 57 or 67. That means Pankhuri's surname cannot be Tiwari or Chopra. Weights are 60 and 75. That means Pankhuri has to be the last one. So this has to be Pankhuri. This person is from Patna. Okay, we are done. This person is from Patna. This person's weight is either 57 or 67. Now, if this person is from Patna, the name is Pankhuri. Okay, the person with surname Gandhi is from Surat. If Pankhuri's surname is Gandhi and she is from Patna, there is a contradiction. That means Kinshuk's surname will have to be from Gandhi. This is Gandhi. This is Surat. The moment I get this and I know Pankhuri is from Patna, Pankhuri's weight is either 57 or 67. If Pankhuri's weight is 57, her weight is the arithmetic mean of 54 and 60. Now that means 54 and 60 are the weights of the person from Chandigarh and Bangalore. But 54 is the weight of a person from Surat, not possible. Hence Pankhuri's weight can't be 57, it has to be 67. So Pankhuri's weight is 67. We've gotten that from here. Okay. Pankhuri's weight surely is 67. This is done, right? Now I can carry this forward. I can basically go ahead and carry this forward. I have gotten Pankhuri's weight. I can also get Pankhuri's surname from here. What will Pankhuri's surname be? Pankhuri's surname will end up becoming, only one surname is left. It is Singh. So we can put that. Also, do I know anything more about Navjot Kaur and where she stays? Are there any location specific is there any location specific information that we are carrying forward? Nothing as far as I remember, if I am not wrong. Oh yes, there is, which is now very, very important. Now Patna, which is Pankhuri, is 67. Her weight is the arithmetic mean of the weight of Bangalore and Chandigarh. Now Bangalore, that means, is either 77 or 57 and Chandigarh is either 57 or 77. That means Navjot Kaur will have to be Chandigarh and weight is either 57 or 77. Now this table I can carry forward. We need to keep in mind between Abu Amin and Navjot Kaur, one weight is 77, one weight is 57. This I am carrying forward. This is what we have. So between Navjot Kaur and Abu Amin, one is 77, the other is 57. Please keep that in mind, okay? One is 57, the other is 77. Let's look at the next statement. If Pankhuri is from Patna, then the weight and age of the person from Bangalore is maximum. Now we know Pankhuri is from Patna, we've already done that. Then the name and weight and age of the person from Bangalore is maximum. Who is from Bangalore? It is Abu Amin. That means Abu Amin becomes 77. That will mean Navjot becomes 57. And his age is also the maximum. Age means 29. So Abu Amin is 29. This much is done. Now there is one more statement. Let's look at that. The sum of the ages and weights of exactly two persons are distinct numbers more than 100, and the difference in the weight and age of no person is less than 36. Okay. The sum of the ages and weights of exactly two persons are distinct numbers more than 100. Difference in the weight and age of no two person is less than 36. Difference in the weight and age of no two person is less than 36. This is interesting. Now, look at Kinchuk. His weight is 54. Difference between weight and age should be at least 36. 54 minus 36 is 18. So, what Kinchuk is looking for, is looking for age less than equal to 18. Among the options, only 17 is possible. So, Kinchuk's age is 17. Similarly, look at Navjot Kaur. 57 is the weight. Difference between weight and age should be 36. So, her age should be less than equal to 21. Now, 20 is already taken for Tiwari. So, the only possibility is 21. So, Navjot Kaur is 21. This has taken care of that. Okay. Now, what are we left with? We are left with two ages. So, we have 17, 20, 21 done. 23 is also done. 29 is done. So, we are left with 24 and 27 in terms of ages. Okay. Now, look at this. Look at Pankhuri Singh. Okay. Irrespective of what age I give her, her sum of age and weight is surely going to be less than 100. Right. So, the only other person whose sum of age and weight can be greater than 100 can be Chopra. Why? Because if you look at this, you will see 20 plus 60 is 80, 23 plus 65 is 88, 54 plus 17 is 71, then 78. Then we have last one, which is Abu Amin, who is on 1906. Pankhuri has to be less than 100. So, Chopra's age plus weight has to be greater than 100. Now, if I give Chopra the age of 24, then age plus weight becomes 99, which is not possible. So, this is 27, this is 24. Also, only two locations or cities left. Chopra can't be Lucknow, so Tiwari is Lucknow. Tiwari is Lucknow, which means Chopra is Delhi. And which means first name I am unsure of between Rati and Vilas. So, this is either Rati or Vilas. This is either Vilas or Rati. Now, this is the table, final table with which I am going to go ahead and solve all questions. For clarity's sake, I have just gone ahead and put this table here in front of me. Okay, this is what I am going to carry forward for every question. Let's have a look at it. What is it? What is the weight of Pankhuri? Well, we'd gotten the weight. It was 67 if you remember. Pankhuri's weight was 67. So, the answer is option A. Okay, let's move to the next one. Which city is Kinchuk from out of the following cities? Kinchuk out of the following cities. Let's look at Kinchuk. Kinchuk is from Surat. So, Kinchuk is Surat, which is option D. Once again, this is fine. Let's look at the next one. Who among the following is from Lucknow? Lucknow is Rati or Vilas, so cannot be determined. It's either option A or B. So, once you solve it, you can just run through it very quickly. Sum of the age and weight of Navjot Kaur. Navjot Kaur is 57 plus 21, that's 78. So, the answer is 78 between these two. Next one, for how many players can age and weight be both multiples of 3? Both age and weight multiples of 3. This one, 1, 2. So, the answer is 2. Only 2 are possible. Age and weight multiple of 3. We've gotten that. And the last question. Value obtained by adding the differences of ages and differences of weights of the two people having surnames as Singh and Gandhi. Singh and Gandhi. Now, difference of weight is 13. difference of age is 7. 7 plus 13 is 20, which is option B, and that's the answer. Clear? That's it. So slightly complicated, not easy, surely not a set to solve in the exam. It takes a little bit of time to do it.